Habayakaran bikinong patay kubor konrat kongkal sangma uloong mak Sorkar kelakut jengmod bantau ke komiti kebanbat skam yala kenong rem kaban om shah liang haka bede ke reservation policy kejela. Bad ke Sorkar kalawat klem syong tat Riewshemphang ke bala banai shibun ke jeng ai jengmod ke besyong nong rem halor ke reservation policy. Menteri Rangba uloong ru bekejeng tahu ke expert komiti kan amde tang degi breu ke banapok kejela. Ndre ke Sorkar kakuak ban kentup ru ke Riewshemphang ke banabar kejela ke besngot ho kamba syo ekene kakam. Uloong bakamat rekam ke bah kamat jong ke expert komiti ke diban kemi bat ban syong bishar bunia ya ke reservation policy bat ban ai ke jeng ai jengmut la ka diban penjanai ne ban penbet thamai no.
We have already in fact started looking for names. The search committee has already gone through a large number of names. We expect that more and more names will come in. Already, in fact, today in my small briefing with the Chief Secretary, he has already briefed me on certain names that are already coming up. But obviously, we want a very good panel of names so that we are able to come up with a good committee, and a committee that will be balanced, and at the same time a committee that will be neutral in nature, independent in nature, and obviously effective, and be very qualified so that proper report can be brought out.
Menteri Rangba kejela ula pentep ba kejeng pelip ke boarding elektrik kejela kanang yai beteng syuai mentasipor wala keladon kejeng kiau ke na kejeng jeruslap. Hendrei kamlong pat ke babiang ban syusyania tang uslap ban wengi kejeng kerdo boarding elektrik. Bat kelong ke badan kambha ban long kiba pikir hakum kene kepor. Uloong tang da ke syusyania ba uslap on omla ban pendap kejeng dawa boarding elektrik jong pat ba. Hendrei ke bakong santam galong ban wat gilat kelenti ban wengi kejeng kerdo boarding elektrik kejela. Ukonrat kongkal sangma uliatu bagade kesian ke bening kong aka history jong kejela haka ba ka ganol project Harilum Garo, Kaleshka project Harilum Jantia, bat ko yam Harilum Kasi, kilano senyang ya kejing penmi ke boarding elektrik, bat kani ke kejing job ya kejela.
Improved. The rain has, of course, been really generous, and we have been really seeing improvement. But at the same time, it is important for us to be prudent, and we have to realize that just because the rains are coming in, we just simply stop everything. May not be a very a very efficient way of working at it. So prudence is very important at this point in time. We need to realize that even though the rains are coming in, how can we sustain the entire process in the next 1 year so that we don't have to face the same kind of situation where we had 8, 9 hours, 10 hours of cut. I think to minimize that, I think there needs to be some kind of a plan system of maintaining the overall water levels in the different power generating units. The good part is that today, for the first time in the history of our state, all the 3 regions are actually producing power. So we have Ganol producing power today, we have Leshka producing power from Jette Hills, Ganol from Garo Hills, and obviously the Umyam today. So all 3 areas, regions today are contributing towards a power supply, and this is a very positive step forward. But a lot more needs to be done. And as I said that, yes, the people are facing a lot of challenges. We've seen a bit of improvement. We have tried to minimize the different inconveniences people are having. But it will not be possible for us to completely take it out. The reason being, as I said, we want to be prudent, and we want to ensure that we are able to sustain things in such a manner that we don't have to face another situation of heavy cuts in the future.
Haka bede bat ke kenrum kenram ke balaja haki HADC, habaki MDC ke NPP bat Kongres ke lapen kelam no, ya ke Executive Committee ke belayalam na keseng UDP. Na keliang konrat kongkal sangma uloong bak Sorkar jela kamju tuklar ki kam ke bede bat ke District Council, ke bede ki kam po yeng jong ke Council. La kadai Hakasi Jantia ne Kagaro Hills Autonomous District Council. Uloong bagi District Council kidai ke autonomous body bat kadai ke way pat ke Sorkar bat wat aka kamsan perthai ru kidone la ke jong ke benta bat ki kampo yeng ru kilong ki babun ki jenit ki jenat kumta ke Sorkar jela kam jutuklar ya ka jinglong jingman ke baman la ke sengi hegi District Council. Uloong ke ke baja haki HADC kidai ke kampo yeng bat kam don jingedai bat ke Sorkar jela bat dei halor kini nong rem bat ke Sorkar kam jutuklar ke rukom trekam ke baman la ke sengi jong ki District Council.
We have always maintained from the government side that the matters that are related to the autonomous district councils are their internal matters, and normally the state government does not intervene in any of the political situations that are there in any of the district councils, be it Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council or Jente Hills or Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. So therefore it is an autonomous body, it's a separate government, and hence even politically there are its own dynamics are there, internal, which are very complicated in nature. And hence we have always maintained that that's a different chapter, different matter, and we do not intervene in the overall movement. They have challenges, and we've always encouraged them to work out the different challenges. Whenever the information used to come to us, we used to pass on and try to resolve issues. But as I said, I guess the situation was such that these kind of steps had to be taken. So hence, as I said, it's an internal matter and it's a separate matter from the government, and we normally don't interfere in the day-to-day functioning of the district council.